Welcome all my dear student of TYBC physics class. In previous lecture we have studied the basic low voltage regulator using IC 723. In that lecture we studied the working of circuit diagram as well as we studied or we properly designed the circuit to get the regulated basic low regulated output in between plus 2 to plus 7 voltage output regulator, and that circuit having output current up to 150 milliampere. Now in this lecture we are going to see the basic high voltage regulator using IC 723. The basic high voltage regulator using IC 723 is illustrated by this figure. And this basic high voltage regulator using IC 723 has the output range from plus 7 volt to plus 37 volt. And this high voltage basic high voltage regulator using IC 723 having output current up to 150 milliampere. Okay. Now, in order to proper work or in order to have the proper output voltage from this circuit, we should have to select the proper value of the resistor R1, R2, R3 and RAC. Okay. Here also the reference voltage is directly connected to non-inverting terminal through this resistor R3, and this reference volt from pin number 6 when is directly connected to non-inverting terminal, that is pin number 5 of IC 723. This pin 5, that is non-inverting terminal, this is connected to non-inverting terminal of high gain error amplifier. Okay, that means a very simple, the reference voltage generated by the voltage reference amplifier which is inbuilt in the block diagram of this IC 723, and this reference voltage, that is pin number 6, is directly connected through this resistor R3 to non-inverting terminal, that is at pin number 5 of an error amplifier through resistor R3. The output voltage V0, which is regulated output voltage, is divided by R1 and R2. Therefore, the voltage at inverting terminal, that means at this terminal, V in is equal to R2 upon R1 plus R2 into V0, voltage at inverting terminal. What I say, the voltage output voltage, that is regulated output voltage, is divided by R1 and R2. Therefore, voltage at inverting terminal should be equal to inverting voltage is equal to R2 upon R1 plus R2 into V0. According to, suppose this is equation 1. Now according to error amplifier, high gain error amplifier which is inbuilt in the circuit, is V non-inverting is equal to V inverting. Suppose this is equation 1. This is according to an error amplifier. This is also equal to V reference. Okay. So instead of this we can say that here V in is equal to V non-inverting is equal to V reference. Therefore, we can write V reference or V non-inverting is equal to R2 upon R1 plus R2 into V0. Suppose this equation 3. Okay. Now in this equation again we should have the reference voltage 7.15 volt at this point. Hence, if 1 milliampere current is flowing through R1 and R2, 1 milliampere current is flowing through R1 and R2, and output voltage V0 is 10 volts. What I say? The current flowing through this R1 and R2 is 1 milliampere. Okay. And voltage is equal to 10 volt, which is regulated output. We get V0 is equal to what? V0 is equal to R1 plus R2. V0 is equal to R1 plus R2 into I, output current. This is according to V is equal to IR, Ohm's law. According to Ohm's law, voltage at this point V0 is equal to voltage across the resistor into current, and that's why this is. So here we can write R1 plus R2 is equal to V0 upon I0. What is V0? 10 volt. What is I0? 1 milliampere. 1 milliampere means what? 10 upon 1 into 10 raised to minus 3 ampere. Okay. Okay. This is. Then this can be solved after solving 10 into. This is 1 upon. When we take to the number, this will be 3 ampere. Sorry. Or 10 kilo ohm, because 1 kilo ohm is equal to 10 raised to 3 ohm. This is equation 4. This is the value of resistor R1 and R2. If V reference is 7.15 volt, using this equation 3, V reference is, what is V in this equation? V reference is 7.15 volt. Okay. And R2 upon R1 plus R2. And output voltage is V0 is 10 volt. Then solve this. What? After solving this, R1 plus R2. Take this side, take this term toward this side and this side, this term towards this side. We have simply 10 volt upon 7.5 volt into R2. Okay. Solve this, we will have 1.37. 10 by 7.15 is nothing but 1.37 R2. This is R1 plus R2. Or R1 plus R2 minus 1.37 R2 is equal to 0. Solve this. R1 plus R2 in bracket 1 minus what? 1 minus 1.37 is equal to 0, or R1 plus R2 in bracket minus 0.37 is equal to 0, or R1 minus 0.37 R2 is equal to 0. This is equation 5. Solving equation 4 and 5, that is, this one is, okay, this one, R1, R2 and this. Solving this equation 4 and 5, we get the value of R1 is equal to simply 2.81 ohm. Sorry, kilo ohm, not ohm. Kilo ohm. and R2 is equal. When we solve this, that means what we have to do? We have to do only, we can substitute the value of this R1 is equal to, from this equation R1 is equal to 0.37 R2. Substitute the value of this R1 in this equation R1 and calculate the value of R2. Yeah. Then substitute this R2 in this equation, any one equation we have. This is R1 and this is R2. R2 is equal to 7.19 kilo ohm. These are the value of R1 and R2. We select the value of R1 and R2 so that the circuit can work properly. Now, when we are having the value of R1 and R2, obviously from this value we can calculate the current sensing resistor. We know that current sensing resistor RSC is equal to R1, R2 upon R1 plus R2. So, what is R1? 2.81 into R2 7.19 upon 2.81 plus 7.19. Make this calculation. Multiplication of product of 2.81 and 2.79 is nothing but 2.204. Okay, and addition of 2.81 plus 7 is 10. Solve this, we will have 10.02. Sorry, not 10 by 2. 20.20 upon 10 is nothing but 2.02 kilo ohm. Here we select the value of R1, R2 and R3. Now, RSC, sorry, this is R3, not RS, sorry, R3. This is the value of R3, where R3, not RSC. Now, the value of current sensing resistor, that is RSC, is depends upon the current, limiting current. Value of RSC is depend on the limiting current. Current is flowing through R1 and R2. Because CL and CS are the two terms of current controlling transistor T2 inside the circuit. So, RSC is depend on V sense upon IL, current limit. Okay. Now, lastly, for frequency compensation, we select here the value of capacitor C as capacitor C as 100 picofarad. When we select the capacitor as 100 picofarad, frequency compensation is properly work and circuit is saving from the damage. In this way, we studied or we obtained the value of R1, R2, R3 and RSC. That means we did the designing of the circuit. Now, we are going to see problem. Here I am going to write the problem. Design the basic low voltage regulator. Problem. Design the basic low voltage regulator using IC 723 from the following data. What is data? In this circuit, V output is equal to plus 5 volt is given, and current flowing through this R1, current flowing through R1 plus R2 is equal to I is equal to 1 milliampere. These two things are given. This is the given data. Sorry, not 100 milliampere. Okay. Now, in this problem, we are having the value of output voltage V0 is equal to plus 5 volt, and current flowing through R1 and R2, that is I is equal to 100. And in this circuit, we have to find out the value of R1, R2, RSC and R3. Okay. So first step, in step first solution, this is the given and step first. In first step, what we have to do? If current flowing through the circuit, if the current flowing through the resistor R1 plus R2 is equal to I is equal to 1 milliampere. Just a minute, I want to check the problem. Okay, good. This is 1 milliampere, and also one thing is given, IL is 100 milliampere. That is current limit. There are two limited current. Current limit is, that is current for this through this RSC is 100 milliampere, and this is the current flowing R1 and R2. There are three things are given: this one, and this one. Okay, so don't confuse. We consider the same figure which I erase. That is the same figure for basic low voltage regulator, and in that figure we are having two resistor R1 and R2. Now current flowing, if the current flowing through R1 first step plus R2 is equal to I is equal to 1 milliampere is equal to 1 into 10 raised to minus 3 ampere. Okay. Therefore, V reference is equal to what? V reference is equal to R1 plus R2 upon I. See here, V is equal to IR, Ohm's law. Therefore, V reference is equal to R1 plus R2 into I is given. What is I? 1 into 10 raised to minus 3. Okay. If we know that value of V reference in both the circuit is, V reference is 7.5 volt. This is fixed value. Then 7.15 is equal to R1 plus R2 into 1 into 10 raised to minus 3, or simply R1 plus R2, this is equal to 7.15 divided by, take this side toward this side, 1 into 10 raised to minus 3, or 7.15 into 10 raised to plus 3. This is ohm, or 7.15 kilo ohm. This is the value of R1 and R2. This is so R1, in first step we calculate R1 plus R2 is equal to 7.15 kilo ohm. Okay. In step second, what we have to do? We know that output voltage in V is equal to, output voltage V is equal to R2 upon R1 plus R2 into V reference. Okay. Now, output voltage is given 5 volt. Just a minute, I want to change 5 volt. R2 upon R1 R2 is 7.15 volt into V reference is what? 7.15. So simply R2, this equation places R2 is equal to 5 into 7.15. No. Okay. Upon 7.15. This one 7.15, 7 getting cancelled with each other, and we have only R2 is equal to 5 kilo. This is in second step we calculate value of R2, and this is nothing but 5 kilo. Now in third step, so, or we know that R1 and R2 is equal to what? R1 plus R2 is equal to 1 million. Okay. So R1 is equal to R2. We know that. R1 plus R2 is what? We calculated here. R1 plus R2 is equal to 7.15. Value of R2 is 5. Therefore, R1 plus 5 is equal to 7.15, or R1 is equal to 7.15 minus 5 is equal to 2.15 kilo. This is the value of R2. We calculate R1 plus R2, then we find out the value of R2, and by substituting the value of R2 in this equation, we find out the value of R1. Now in step 3, R3, we studied that R3 is equal to R1 plus, R1, R2 upon R1 plus R2. R1 is what? R1 is equal to 2.15. R2 is 5 upon 2.10 into, plus, not into. Okay. Make the calculation. 10.75, 2.15 into 5, 10.75 divided by 2 plus 15 plus 5, 7.15. Do this calculation, you will get 1.15 kilo. This is R3. Okay, you calculate value of R1, R2, R3, or you design the value of R1, R2 and R3 for the designing. You obtain the value of R1, R2 and R3 in order to develop or design the basic low voltage regulator using IC723 from this data. Now here you have to calculate one more thing, that is in step 4th you have to calculate value of RSC, and we know that RSC is equal to V sense upon IL. What is V sense? V sense is voltage between base and emitter of transistor T2, which is already standard one like this, and this is not, V sense is nothing but 0.6 volt. So RSC is equal to V sense is 0.6 upon IL is given 100 milliampere. 100 milliampere or 0.6 upon 100 into 10 raised to minus 3 ampere. Or solve this, RSC is equal to 0.6 upon 100 into 10 raised to 3. Okay, solve this, you will get 0.06 okay into 10 raised to 3 or 6 ohm. So you also find out the value. So when you design the value of R1 as 2.15, R2 as a 5 kilo ohm, R1 as a 2.15 kilo ohm, R2 is 5 kilo ohm, R3 is 1.5 kilo ohm, RSC is 6, and when you put up this resistor in this circuit, then this circuit works properly. And for frequency compensation, we select the capacitor of 100 picofarad. When we substitute all such type of resistor, then this circuit is properly work. Low voltage regulator is properly work and gives the desired regulated basic low output voltage, that is in between plus 2 volt to plus 7 volt. In the similar fashion, you can obtain the value of R1, R2, RSC for basic high voltage regulator. In this way, we completed this chapter, that is regulated power supply. Okay, we shall stop here. Have a good day. Thank you.